KBGA Missoula, you're listening to Missing Zhongguo, and now it's Today in Chinese History. On July the 28th, 1976, at 3:42 a.m., a strong earthquake of magnitude 7.8 occurred in Tangshan, Hebei province. In just 72 seconds, the city of Tangshan was reduced to ruins, causing the death of more than 242,000 people and seriously injuring more than 164,000 people. The epicenter of the Tangshan earthquake was located in Fengnan, Tangshan, Hebei province, China. The earthquake had a magnitude of 7.8 on the Richter scale, an intensity of 11 at the epicenter, a focal depth of 12 kilometers, and lasted for about 23 seconds. The Tangshan earthquake is considered one of the top 10 natural disasters of the 20th century. The Tangshan earthquake caused a total of 242,769 deaths, 164,851 serious injuries, and the death of more than 7,000 families. It ranks second in the death toll of earthquakes in the world in the 20th century, second only to the Haiyuan earthquake. 95.53% of the civil buildings and 81.08% of the public buildings in Tangshan were severely damaged and collapsed, respectively, and the infrastructure was almost completely paralyzed. The topography, urban buildings, infrastructure, industrial and agricultural production was severely damaged, and the city functions were completely paralyzed. The direct economic losses amounted to tens of billions of yuan. The earthquake affected Beijing, Tianjin, and other places, and was felt in 14 provinces, autonomous regions, and municipalities, covering an area of 2.17 million square kilometers. Less than half a month after the earthquake, the planning of rebuilding of Tangshan began. 1 month after the earthquake, the construction of Hebei No. 1 community with a construction area of 200,000 square meters started. At the end of June 1986, Tangshan's reconstruction was completed with a complete area of 18 million square meters. By the end of the year, 230,000 households in the city had moved into new homes, accounting for 98.5% of the total number of households at the time. In November 1990, the United Nations awarded Tangshan the Habitat Honor Award. Thank you for listening to Today in Chinese History.